सो वेलकम। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हमारे एक मेंबर के साथ जो कि एक लीडिंग कंसल्टेंसी फर्म में एक लीडरशिप ग्रुप को लीड करते हैं और फुल ट्राई करते हैं, अपना बेस्ट देते हैं। मैं भी इनको देखता हूँ कि रात भर जो इनके पास काम होते हैं, जो इनका 24/7 दिमाग चलता रहता है, वो मतलब एक तरफ दिखाता है कि वो कितना डेडिकेटेडली अपना काम करते हैं और जो कि हमारे साथ डेडिकेशन के साथ, फुल डेडिकेशन के साथ ट्रेनिंग भी करते हैं और इम्प्रूव करते चले जा रहे हैं। सो वेलकम बीना मैम। तो आई होप आप बहुत अच्छे हैं। और सबसे पहले तो आपने हमें मतलब आपको हमारे बारे में किसके थ्रू पता चला या फिर कैसे पता चला? हाउ डिड यू कम इनटू कांटेक्ट विद अस? एंड एक बार हमें बताइए।
I got to know about you from one of my colleagues, who is Arijit, who works with me in my office. So I have known Arijit since last 4 years, and then I saw a lot of change in him when it came to fitness and other things. So then I asked him, what is the secret behind your success? So then he told it is Allfit and Shiva. So that's when I got to know about you and Allfit. So after that, it took me some time. I spoke to Arijit and understood how you people operate, what you do, and then finally I took your numbers, and that's how I got to know about you.
Okay, that's nice to know. So अगर किसी को अरिजीत जी के बारे में नहीं पता है तो आप उनका टेस्टिमोनियल हमारे चैनल पे देख सकते हो और हमने बहुत जगह दिखाया भी हुआ है। इनके जूनियर हैं और जो उन्हीं के थ्रू इनको पता चला हमारे बारे में और तब से मेरे ख्याल कितना 6-7 महीने हो गए, कितने महीने? 6-7 महीने हो गए। हम रेगुलरली ऑलमोस्ट ऑन एंड ऑफ, कभी तबीयत खराब हो जाती है, कभी कुछ, ऑन एंड ऑफ रेगुलरली एक्सरसाइज करते रहते हैं और इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं। और वन मोर थिंग, हमने मतलब कुछ ऐसा बहुत बड़ा अचीव नहीं किया है ना, यू वुड अग्री, है ना? We haven't done something मतलब के जो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट वी डिड विद अरिजीत, he was 175-178 kgs and he is somewhere around 100 now. So something like that has not happened. But what is that one thing which has made you stick के नहीं मुझे करना है, मुझे improve करना है, या फिर जो भी what has made you consistent, which is very interesting thing and very important thing.
Yeah. One thing is that more than me, you're consistent in following up and ensuring that I attend my classes. And yes, I'll not say that there is something very drastic change in my appearance, but mentally and physically, I find myself more active and more committed to doing it further. Yes, results will come with time. It cannot happen overnight. But what is important is getting into a routine and trying to fit into that routine. And with the type of the current situation I am in and also my age, I think mental well-being is very important, which I have achieved, and you very rightly guided me through that time, taking me through meditation, breathing exercises, and how to relax. And then it was after that we have now started taking up exercises which can impact my weight loss or physical appearance. So that was very important. Without that, you will not be able to achieve it.
Right.
That is something which
100%. So this is as you also know, as you told, mental well-being is very important. You're I guess 52.
I'm 52.
52 years of age, and mental well-being is very important. And nowadays I guess for past 10 years or 5 years, especially 5 years after COVID, then mental aspect of any corporate organization has, I guess, people are looking there, no?
Yeah.
People are looking into it. You should do something about your mental well-being.
Yes.
So yes, 100%. And one more thing which I guess I have told you also, I tell a lot of people that body and mind are directly connected.
Yes.
The way you will keep your body, the way your mind will be, right?
Absolutely.
So yes, 100%. But another thing, let's dive deeper into it. कि as much as you are comfortable to share, what is that mental well-being thing that you have found the difference in, which earlier was not there and which now is?
My stress levels were very high, and I used to think a lot without having control on my mind and breath. So what would happen is I would take a lot of short breaths and then my thinking and short breaths together would lead to anxiety, and that would impact me either when I'm walking, driving, doing anything. I was not giving 100% to whatever I was doing, whether it was my work or whether it was my cooking or whether it was watching a movie also. I think I told you some time ago that if it is a 1.5 hours movie, I used to rewind, watch, and I would complete that movie in 3 hours or 3.5 hours. It's because I would not be giving 100% time and watching that movie also. So, but now I know that I have to, if I'm doing something, how I have to breathe, how I have to keep my mind in control, and how I have to concentrate doing that particular work and not running around too much. Although it is not 100% still perfect, but I can feel that a lot.
100%. I have also experience with you that earlier when we used to conduct sessions, you used to forget breathing.
Yes, forget breathing, and I would get headache. The reason why I would get headache, which I also realize, is not only breathing. I used to think that isko jaldi karo, I want to go and sit for my work. Isko jaldi karo, I have to go and do something. But then I realized that if I'm giving so much amount of time for something, I should be giving that amount of time, and I should be giving that concentrated effort. Otherwise, nothing will work.
100%.
It's not like half chewing something and swallowing. It will be indigestion.
One more thing here, no? I guess we discussed earlier how pain works, did we? So this is what happens. It is all about concentration, dhyan, or whatever you can call. That whenever something wrong in the body happens, let's say मुझे यहाँ चोट लगी, मेरे बॉडी का सारा ध्यान यहीं आ जाएगा, और जहाँ पे बॉडी का जहाँ ध्यान आ जाएगा वो चीज ऑटोमेटिकली बेटर होने लग जाएगी, है ना? राइट? सो I guess this is why in different cultures, in our culture also, or in every culture, there's some sort of fast that you don't want to, when you're doing something energetic, you don't want to concentrate here. You want to concentrate on the thing that you're doing.
Right.
That's why today also when I tell people to fast, or when I do my fast, I make sure that as much as possible my stomach is empty, as much as possible, so that जितना भी ध्यान है वो यहाँ पे नहीं है, जो काम है या फिर डिटॉक्स मैकेनिज्म चल रहा है उधर है ना, ताकि वो चीज बेटर हो जाए, है ना? सो दैट इज हाउ आई गेस यू आल्सो love.
I used to think that I can never stay without food, or I would feel hungry and all that. You remember I started with this, but now it doesn't come into my mind only. As I told you today, I didn't have anything. I thought, let me have lunch with you when you all come. So I didn't have anything, but I'm not feeling that as well.
This is the change that drives everything. Just for example, with someone, let's say with someone we face challenges that this is how it is, this is how it is. But to make person experience कि आपके लिए ये काम कर रहा है, that is a challenge. Yeah. For example, if I tell you that to Arijit, I just told him that don't eat at night. Just simply I told him don't eat at night. He religiously followed it for 1 week. After 1 week, he's seeing all the difference. यार ये चीजें हो रही है ना? Now you are also seeing difference. यार ये चीजें हो रही है. Then I know कि एक बार मैंने किसी को एक्सपीरियंस करा दिया, यार ये चीज है, then तो you don't have to.
Of course. So I used to, when I started, I had lot of pain in my body. I used to tell कि यहाँ पे pain है, यहाँ पे pain है, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ ये. But now I know this is also one of the reasons why you're telling that why you are continuing. Because now I realize that all those pains have vanished, and maybe little bit of some pain is there because of my foot or something. That's okay. I know why it has happened, so it may be there for long. But I felt that those pains were the reasons I harped upon not to do exercise. कि आज मेरे हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है, head में दर्द हो रहा है, it's on my knees paining. And probably those pains grew in my mind because I didn't want to do something, and I used them as a reason. So now all that is gone, my mind is clear. I know I have to do this. First, when you told me you have to walk, I used to tell, कैसे, how is it possible? How will I take out time? I get up at 4:30 in the morning. I have so many things to do. But now, last I think 10 days or so, I'm walking.
2 weeks maybe.
2 weeks maybe. I'm walking continuously, And I think I have sufficient time. I can finish my work, come back, do my things, go to office. I think it's all here.
100%. It's all here. Yes. As we discussed के जहाँ ध्यान चला जाएगा वो चीज अच्छी हो जाएगी.
So it's only that you helped us channelize that. Otherwise, probably we wouldn't have channelized it ourselves.
Maybe.
So that's what.
Yes.
helped.
And one very interesting thing ना, जब हमने शुरू किया था, when we started, no, first question or second question I asked her that what are you having in terms of diet and food? She told me that at 8 a.m. in the morning I start with whatever you were
Breakfast.
having then. I don't remember. After 2 to 3 hours, I'll again have one snack. After again 2 to 3 hours, I'll have lunch. Again 2 to 3 hours, I'll have something. The feeling I was getting, no,
Why
I
did-
was thinking, on your level, what I was experiencing, it was like कि यार मैं नहीं खाऊंगी तो मेरे साथ मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, मतलब एक होता है ना यार खाना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा हो गया था. But on what I was thinking is you're eating way too much.
Yes. And I used to think that 3 meals a day is very important, and in between because we used to always see somewhere that you have frequent meals for your body to sustain. Frequent meals means not eating roti all the time, but yes, you have breakfast in the morning, some cereal, then have your fruits, then again have your lunch, then again have a snack, something by tea time, and then again have your dinner. So don't leave too much of gap between the meals. So that was how we started our life. Then the concept came, intermittent fasting. I was saying, ये क्या चीज़ है? Intermittent fasting. I don't know how does it work. I tried one day and it was like, I don't know, it's not my cup of tea. But the way beautifully we are able to now do that intermittent fasting without knowing.
Without knowing. Yes.
That is an achievement where we are at this point of time, and all thanks to you, because unconsciously we.
There's one thing, no. One thing is you read it somewhere and you did it. Other thing is you automatically did it.
Yes.
मतलब कि वो हो गया है ना, और वो हो गया और मैंने realize भी नहीं किया मैं intermittent fasting कर भी रही हूँ और ठीक भी चल रहा है. That is very interesting thing and important thing कि वो अंदर से ही आ रहा है, कोई आपको बोल नहीं रहा. मतलब कि मैंने भी शायद आपको बोला नहीं है कि फास्ट करो.
You never told. You told you. Why don't you try fasting? I told no, that's not my cup of tea.
I only told you I do this, I do that, just to drive an inspiration. But I never imposed that do that, है ना? Yes. So this is very interesting thing, and we and this was an achievement that we started the Surya Namaskar, है ना?
We started with Surya Namaskar, then stopped in between, and then now we are doing Surya Namaskar. So that was
when we started, it was I guess. What was there? No, breath holding issue. No.
Yes, breath holding issue. I would get headache.
Headache would start happening. You do the forward bend, headache would happen. So I remember telling about your case to someone else that how much breath is important.
Yes.
कितना important है breath. कि मैं ख्याल मैं इन्हीं को पार्क में एक दिन बोल रहा था कि it was something, the topic was Swar Yoga. There's something called Swar Yoga. It is a yoga of breath, we call it. कि आप जैसा breath लोगे वैसा आप सोचोगे, वैसी चीज़ आपके साथ होंगी, या जो भी है. Breath आपको सब कुछ बता देता है, क्या होने वाला है, क्या हो चुका है, क्या हो रहा है. So I was telling them about your case that कि breath इतना important है कि आप अगर breath hold कर लेते हो कभी भी, तो automatically energy shoot to the place where you are so much invested in. For example, there is something called bandha in yoga. बंद, मतलब बंद का मतलब अगर मैं आपको raw language में बोलूँ, it is called locks. In the human body, there are multiple locks at multiple levels. For example, there's something called Mool Bandh. Here we put it at perineum of the spine, and there's something called Udyan Bandh where we suck in our stomach. There's something called Jalandhar Bandh. We just we lock this part, so that this is a conscious process, and you are doing it unconsciously.
Okay.
So automatically, and your culture and background, I won't be able to express in words that your culture and background is such that your energies, I have realized, automatically goes up. That is why you sweat from the top, from the head to down, not down to head. It is head to down generally. So this is the reason why you sweat to head to down. And the interesting thing is, you remember I told you about something in the chakras, triangle in chakras. The better the equilateral the triangle, the better your body, the more balanced your body will be. That is why I told you that if energies goes up but the triangle is not good, then the problems will happen. But if triangles are good and energies move up, then that is a dream thing. So that is that is how the yoga part goes. So this was a very interesting thing. And if I give you a question that what is that one thing that you learned from us, which you have felt that this is something very interesting, very different, very interesting. I guess you have worked with some other trainer, you have done a lot of gym, you have done walks and all, multiple things. You have been walking earlier, you used to walk a lot. So what is that one thing that you felt that ये कुछ बढ़िया है, कुछ अलग है?
See, it is always told in life that there should be a guru. Why do you say that there should be a guru? Because you do a lot of things, but guru is a person who knows you and who tells you what exactly needs to be done at what time. I used to go to gym, so 1 or 2 days the trainer told how to do this, how to do that, and then after that I used to go and do it myself. But whether I was doing it right, whether it was giving me the right output, nobody used to, because we had a timing. We used to go do the gym and we would come back, because trainers would not give that type of a personalized attention. So that is a very reason why I mentioned the word guru. So whether in personal life or in professional life, or in professional life we call coach and mentor. In personal life, definitely it is your parents, father, mother. In school and college, it is your teacher. So everybody is guru in some form or the other. Sometimes even our children become our guru after we start teaching.
100%.
Which I am experiencing.
Which you told me.
And that is the exact feeling I got when I interact with you or when we are doing yoga, because there are a lot of things I learned, especially in terms of breathing, posture, and then, for example, I tell that I like pigeon stretch. So then you...
That to everyone likes.
Then you understood that, and you let me do it in the end, but still then you realize you are observing me and you make me do things which are suitable at that point of time, what is required. So that is very important. So that is one thing which I really like, and that's the reason why I feel more connected, and I can tell you, for example, you are doing something, I tell you that, no Shivam, my leg is giving up, my knees are giving up, or my hands are giving up, I can't do it. Then you tell, okay fine, we'll stop, we'll do something else. So these are the things which we generally look forward to, and that is exactly what a guru does, or a teacher does, or a mentor does. If I'm not able to understand something, or I'm not able to absorb something, so that's where we get that personalized attention, and that is very important for us, irrespective of what age we are in. So that is one thing which I would like to appreciate, because that has helped me in
Thank you so much.
being more enthusiastic about.
That's good. No, but this is very interesting thing that earlier, I guess 1 or 2 months before your pneumonia, when I used to come, but I didn't used to feel that energetic. But after that pneumonia part and all of yours, so after that, when the session ends, I feel that energy ki हाँ अच्छा session हुआ है. We have taken a lot of things out of it.
There is one more reason for that. I'll tell you, because when I had pneumonia and I came back from hospital and all that, there were many, doctor told I have to take physiotherapy. So there were many physiotherapists I reached out to, some people whom I know also who are physiotherapists. But I didn't find that connect which I could do. You know, I was telling them, nobody came and did physiotherapy on me to experience it. But when I told them that I need this physiotherapy and I had this problem and doctor has advised that I have to take physiotherapy for 2-3 weeks, you know, they were very professional type, telling that हम ये machine लगाएंगे, we will do that, we will do this. But then I felt that no, something is not working out. Then that's when I reached out to you. Can you help me in this? And you didn't take a second in telling, okay, fine, just give me some time, and then you told, yes, I can do it. So that was a very good gesture, you know, and it was so important for me at that point of time.
What was there now? First, I was thinking of one of my friend who was physiotherapy, who is a physiotherapist. So I told him, I asked him that what is this? This is the case. This is the thing. What we can do about it. So he told me that there is nothing much you can do. A physiotherapist can do. It is about consistent effort. I remember what all we used to do. So it is about consistent effort. You keep doing, and eventually it'll go. But same thing can be done by machines. Same thing can be done bare
by
hands
hand,
or
exactly.
whatever.
I was not very comfortable when somebody talked about machine. I told her, no, this is not something which I was looking at, because little bit I had an idea. So that's when I thought that no, let me talk to Shivam.
There's one more thing. No, it is not that उसका कोई वो value नहीं है. There is a value in terms of अगर extreme cases. If the cases is too much or you're really getting difficulty in breathing or lung has too much sucked in water, then yes, we have to go towards the machines. But not in small cases. No?
Yeah, I know. Sometimes, see, what is important is guidance and consistency. That will even you can outrule the machine also. That is what I was trying to explain. Maybe whatever the worst cases. Why do people say कि माँ का हाथ का खाना है and all that? It's more than the taste. It is about the feelings which come in,
emotions of making
emotions, and how consistently you want to work and make it happen. So that was a very good thing which I realized.
Oh, that's good. Thank you so much. And आपने बुलवा दिया मुझे कहीं और ले गया आप बात ये मत डालना भाई हाँ. So one more thing, that how our training has helped you professionally. I have observed a corporate person is a different person in terms of his or her personal life. Is a different person is in his or her professional life, and that's, I guess, that's with everyone, and it should be like that. So if any, has it helped you in any part of your professional career or whatever?
Yeah, lots, to be honest. I used to get stressed about a lot of failures which I'm envisaging, which can happen. So, and I used to keep thinking about it and not actually think about the solution. अरे ये हो रहा है, and then okay, fine. We know what the problem is, but if you are brooding about it and not thinking about the solution, that used to be my situation. कि I don't think कुछ होगा. But now that I'm able to calm down myself, give that time, breathe, close my eyes and give a focused approach, then I can think of solutions for problems. And somehow, I don't know, since we have started meditation and yoga and all that, anything which is coming, I can envisage it, and even if it is a big or a small problem, I just think this too will pass.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and that adaptability and resilient feature which was missing in me, that has slowly started coming out.
That's so good.
So that has helped me. But still, I feel that there is a long way to go. But at least that starting is there, which I can feel. So I really feel good about it.
That's good. That's very good. And I haven't told you, but I also get to know about a lot of this thing. That you have been working on your fitness and all. You look better. You love you look cleaner and all. But I haven't told you. I don't want to get you.
That made me more.
I have never told you. So this was very deliberate. So one day, what happened? Arijit came to me. We were discussing something about the session. Are we scheduling session tomorrow and all? So he after a long time he saw you. I don't know when. 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, I guess. So he told me that Veena ma'am ने lose किया है. Lose हुआ है? I was surprised just because you never told me that weight is reduced or whatever. Weight is I guess still
weight
not.
Weight is constant. Yeah, weight is constant.
I guess it is the inches that has reduced.
Yeah.
So that is what he told me. And I was like, yeah, that's good thing, but we need to go a little more. So I'll never
if you
let it come
disclose that,
out.
she will start feeling.
I'll never let it come out. So yes, that is very important. One
Even
very
he didn't tell.
Huh?
Even he didn't tell.
Now you took his class. Take his class. So this is a very interesting thing. And one more thing, that what are those things that if you can notice in people's eyes, let's say for example, I judge, or you can say judge myself based on the person who's looking at me through his or her eyes, right? That is how I judge what I'm doing in my off times. So have you seen something that this is very unique? Or one more thing, that in some intense situations, for example, I'll give you an example, that there was one guy who was working with us. He was 110 kgs, and he was, I guess, in Amazon, he was something or the other, I don't remember. So he told me that I was lifting something from my house, and I felt like, have you felt that the difference that has made count, that your consistency is making that count? Any it can be anything.
Just to answer to your question, that you see eyes and you can make out from people. Since I have got conscious, I have been aware of myself till now. I live with pets and they speak only through eyes. So that is my secret, that I can understand from looking at a person, they're unsaid what is happening in their mind.
Oh, cool.
So whenever I talk, that sometimes people feel uncomfortable that I look straight into the eyes and talk. Then they look here, there, and all that. But my eyes are always like that. So that is because of that trait. So anyway,
it was earlier also.
Yeah, since beginning. Since beginning. So I can make out even if a person is trying to hide something or not telling something. I can see their eyes and I can make out. But then I let it go because it's not something which is going to harm me. So it's okay. But that unsaid thing is that, I never felt that I can walk 10,000 steps.
Oh, nice.
Continuously.
Okay.
And first day when I walked, I think I told you, I was sweating so much that when I was walking out of the park, everyone was looking at me, is it raining? Why is she like this? But now 10,000 or 10,000 beyond, it has become effortless.
That's good.
It's only the matter of time. If I have 2 hours time, I can walk 2 hours also. So there was just that spark to begin, which was important. And that one thing, that energy which I always felt I don't have to walk, that is there. And I think I keep sending you the snapshots of my 10,000 steps achieved.
Yes.
That's one thing which I can see. Effortlessly I'm able to walk. But only thing constantly runs in my mind is, okay, I don't have time now, I have to go back home, get ready and
multiple things.
So probably if time is there, I think I can walk a lot of...
One very advice you can say that it just came, which can be very important for you, especially, that you just touched him and you got the electric current. You or he got, whatever. He got or you got?
It.
Oh, he got. So this tells, and one more thing, that our mind runs on metabolic health of our is too high, you know? Metabolism is going too fast and too high. So to calm it down, to let the positive energy little calm down, it is very important to do some earthing in the body, and it can be easily done through your bare foot in a fertile soil, grass or somewhere,
right.
any place. Easily you can just walk for 20 minutes, 30 minutes or whatever. You'll automatically feel the difference in terms of thoughts are more controlled, they are more regulated according to you. So just because this is what happens, no? Whenever, have you seen someone, you must have seen that child who has super energy, super active, hyperactive, but he has no outlet to it. What happens?
I have one at home. Joy.
So that is what happens, na? So sometimes they is doing that.
They become more destructive.
More destructive. So that is how our mind also is. That is how our
You have
mind
to release
also
that
works.
energy.
Yes. So that energy must get released in terms of earthing, na? Earthing के through निकल जाना चाहिए. So that and this one also very important thing that will happen is metabolism will little slow down in terms of you'll be sweating lesser in more intense activity.
Okay.
This is the thing that we want to improve the next, which I have figured out कि यार ये चीज तो improve हो जानी चाहिए. नहीं, अगर ये चीज improve नहीं होगी तो ये तो ऐसे sometimes दिल्ली, sometimes America, sometimes London.
It's always like that.
So ये ऐसे चलता रहेगा, है ना? So it can be easily fixed through what I told you, है ना? So this is a very interesting thing. And next part is what sort of dietary assistance other than this thing, fasting or time between meals. What are those other things that you have learned along the process, which you which is something different?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Funny thing, you asked me, I think the first time, what do you start your day with? I told I have a glass of water and then soaked almonds and what was that? Soaked almonds, walnuts, and this one, dry grapes. So you told okay, and then I told then this, then I told breakfast. Then you told you already broke your fast when you ate almonds. So I was like, what is that, the breakfast? You told yes, that is the breakfast. And honestly speaking, morning after I have lemon water, and then after that I finish whatever work and all that is there. Then I have that juice, vegetable juice, and I have this almonds. I don't feel hungry after that, and that actually works as a breakfast. Until and unless last night I would have skipped my meal and I feel hungry, then I take little cornflakes the next day. So this has helped me in understanding my body's requirement. So if I have my vegetable juice and almonds and that in the morning, that sustains me till my lunchtime. I don't need to have anything until and unless I have skipped my night meal completely. I have not had even buttermilk or anything. So the way you have guided us through what we can have and what is it we should avoid, that is constantly it reminds me. Sometimes today I'll tell you I was going Swiggy, it came. I thought, okay, let me see. After many days, I'll use my Swiggy app today. And then it showed Bittu Tikki wala, Aloo Tikki, and it was looking so yum. And then they told Aloo Tikki made in olive oil. For a moment, I think, okay, olive oil, Aloo Tikki is still okay.
It's good.
But then I told no.
No.
So these, because what happens is that I relate it to the efforts which we have to put to burn that amount of type of food we have had. Maybe once in a while it is okay, but if it is not necessary at that point of time, it is better to avoid. So I always feel that.
One very interesting thing, you are 52, right? and body's caloric demand as you age, it reduces. That's normal. Let's say for someone in 20s, that I am in 20s, I can eat 4 times the food that you are having, but still be like this, right? But you can't just go on piling up food, right, in your stomach, because the outlet of it in terms of energy is slowly and steadily going down, reducing, right? Your body's ability to burn.
See, even we can't, the way you won't believe it, I have also been playing basketball, volleyball, and I've told you that I have been throughout sports in my childhood days, and my mother used to hide food from me. If there would be a dozen bananas which would come into the house, I would finish 1 dozen bananas in no time. And tomatoes would be there, I would put sugar on tomatoes.
Nice.
Dry fruits I would just finish. And even like my mother would see there are 3 children at home, she would make enough sambar and rice and curd. She would keep all the 3 for us. But I would finish the entire curd patila. And rice also I would take more quantity, and then I would think, only so much you made. You know, it was like that. So I used to have that kind of a food, and I had that energy to burn. But now with time I can see that even if I take a small quantity, it's difficult for me to finish it also. So that is slowly with time I'm realizing
that is becoming more conscious.
Yeah, and just before I started yoga and other things, I also noticed that I was doing impulsive eating. That if I'm stressed, go into the kitchen, open a packet of chips, start eating, watch TV. Then the chips would get over, movie is only half done, okay fine, popcorn rakho in the microwave, come again start. So I think one is impulsive eating and one is stress eating. I used to get stressed, I would constantly eat. So now if I get stressed, I sit down, calm myself, have a glass of water, and then get back to doing what I need to do. So these things have helped me a lot.
One very interesting thing, I'll tell you one story of mine. I was in, I guess in Nagpur. So I'll tell you one very interesting story of mine. I was in Nagpur. So, धक्का देने पड़ेगा.
वो बंद करना पड़ेगा स्पेस.
बंद भी कर दो भाई.
He can go into this room.
अरे कोई बात नहीं. So I'll tell you one very interesting story of mine. So something like this happened. I was in Nagpur. As you know, I used to play a lot of cricket. So back then, it was all in the mind. Nothing would go. We used to sleep and think cricket. We used to eat and think cricket. So it was like that. So something like this happened. It was a very important match for us. Long time back. It was 2017 or 18. So after getting out for low score or whatever, there's immense amount of frustration in a batsman's mind, in a player's mind. So which you must have seen on TV, must have seen. So I don't used to get कि मैं कभी बाहर नहीं निकालता था. But what used to happen now, I used to go inside the room, dressing room, and I all the stress and everything, I used to put it on the food.
On the food?
On the food. I eat everything. Literally everything. And next morning, I used to feel more fatigued than normal. And what I'm saying is, let's say I scored 100 or I scored a lot of runs. I didn't used to feel that fatigue after waking up the next morning, but I used to get out and eat a lot, and then next morning it was more fatigue. Just because I put in a lot of things inside. So this is one very interesting thing which I can understand in a corporate person's life must be happening in terms of the mind is constantly seeking for dopamine,
Yeah.
and you keep on giving it, it'll ask for more. It happens with, I guess, teenagers. It happens with adolescent people.
Now I think these mental well-being, stress, anxiety, these are the words which we never heard in our childhood days. But today you talk to any small kid also, like even in the office, if we have some new joiners, they're I'm too stressed. It's like, okay.
Abhi se.
So, but the amount of stress levels which we faced, like when we were young, we had small babies at home born, we had to work, and those days we didn't have maids because we were not earning that much to afford a maid. We had to cook, we had to wash our clothes, look after our in-laws, take care of the baby, and also do work. So probably those days, if I knew the word anxiety and stress, I would be the first person. I think all working mothers go through it. But yeah.
There's one very interesting aspect in this, that it is about identity in terms of man. I posted a video recently speaking on this, that आप किसी भी आज के टाइम में ना धीरे धीरे यू रियलाइज कि लोगों का मैं, जो मैं होता है पर्सनल मैं, वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. जितना ये बढ़ेगा मेंटल इश्यूज, साइकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज, ये होने ही होने. And if you can relate, earlier the mothers were not that much stressed, which they are right now.
Yes.
Mothers, and specifically mothers. If let's say if I talk to a pregnant mother right now, sorry, ये वो ऐसे वैसे मतलब million different things she tells. But earlier it was lesser of herself. It is more about the child.
Yeah. Child, and also about who is around, what to do,
what to do.
Yeah,
yes,
because generally what used to happen is we wanted to forget that we are in that condition. We are pregnant, and because of which all the attention should come to us. So it would be an outward feeling rather than being inward. But now what has happened is that the amount of attention and that social media things are there, that we want a photo shoot, we want a lot of attention. Movies also, and they show a lot of things which when you watch any movies and all, they show about a very rich class family, how they treat. So those expectations come in between people, and it's not only talking particularly about a pregnant woman, it is about children also.
Just
so
the example.
They see that, okay, there is a young boy in the family, he has a car, he has a mobile, he has this, he has that, then they tell, why shouldn't we not get all this?
Right.
So people have started relating themselves to fictional things rather than the realistic things. So if you see, when we were kids, we would have Amar Chitrakatha, or we would have our detective stories, Phantom, and those type of things. Sherlock Holmes and all. But now you see,
it's all different. It's now Netflix, Amazon Prime.
Amazon and everything. I was watching a movie when you came. Such unrealistic things they show. It was, I think, some jewel thief. A person like Saif Ali Khan travels from Budapest to India on a diplomatic passport which he has stolen from somebody and modifies it in the airport, and he comes. It's not possible. So children start thinking that life is like this.
Like this only, no?
So fast. Order a pizza and it comes in 10. Bolt. Swiggy Bolt delivery.
Swiggy, Zepto,
everything.
That,
so I wanted to ask you a question.
Yes.
What is that Bolt delivery you will do so that I can reduce my weight?
There's nothing like that.
When there is nothing like that, then
there's nothing like that.
Exactly
Come
what you tell. Nothing is. There is no free lunch.
So yes. There are things like that, but there are more unhealthy ways to do that.
Yeah.
No point in injecting to reduce fat. Fat.
Because it will come back.
It will come back and you can't sustain it.
It's not a sustainable way of food.
So there's no point. And yes. So one last word that you would like to whosoever is watching this video, you would like to give to any person. yes, please tell.
Definitely, I would like to meet all your team, including Dheeraj, once at my
Okay, cool. Definitely.
Whenever he's in Delhi, please bring him.
Definitely.
And,
I'll bring it for a lunch.
And
I don't bring people for dinners.
No, and the main thing is that you people have an amazing energy, to be very honest.
Thank you so much.
And this is an I'm 52. I've seen many people. I've seen my own children growing, and I have been a lot with pets and animals. I've seen a lot of emotions. I've seen a lot of things, but there is a huge amount of honesty, and there is an innocent honesty and dedication towards the work which you all do. So keep it up.
Thank you
Don't
so
lose
much.
that.
Thank you so much.
Because that is when people realize it. Now, when we realize it, I used to see that when we were in school days, and it is totally absent from the ecosystem right now. So that is one thing which I noticed, and I could really connect very fast. So
Oh.
keep it up,
Thank you so much.
and don't lose that.
No.
more than earning, more than money, or more than anything else, that will keep you going, because that is the basic value in earning. So if that value remains, then everything will come around.
So ये मत डालना भाई. So this was the case. The two of them, they play for our team in the club के matches ना. So they play for our team. What I tell them is they'll also agree that I only tell them कि माहौल का गेम. मतलब आप कैसा माहौल बनाते हो एक सर्कल में, सब उस खेल उसी का है. हार जीत ये वो, माहौल अच्छा होगा हम जीतेंगे. हाँ, माहौल खराब होगा कुछ अच्छा नहीं चलेगा. कुछ नहीं अच्छा नहीं चलेगा. So yes 100%.
See, there is a shloka in Sanskrit telling I told you, Pushpamala Prasangena Sutram Shirasi Dharyate. That means you wear a mala, so you put the thread also on the head. Otherwise कोई धागा देगा तो आप थोड़ी ना सिर पे लगाओगे. Because there is a flower which is very beautiful, which smells very good, and that is tied with the thread. That's why you're putting the thread on the head. That means to say, sometimes company of good people will make even the unworthy person come on the head or be given that respect. So when you take along people, you may find people who are sometimes not good, sometimes bad, and all that. So just keep that in mind, that we have to uplift people, bring people, give as much possible back to the society.
100%.
So keep that in mind.
We are trying our best. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you so
And
much.
one thing I will tell you, because of him, you people are not getting onion and garlic food.
No.
So this is the Pushpamala Prasangena Sutram Shirasi Dharyate.
Oh no. अरे बिना प्याज लहसुन के गाना है भाई.
Because of it. See, making one thing.
So one last thing, it was too long, I'm sorry.
No problem.
So one last thing, that हमेशा coin has two sides. सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. Heads and tails. You know where I'm going. I hope. So what if we can't only get away talking positives, right? What are those one or two things, or whatever you can feel? The part of things that, which you have experienced as our member can be improved a bit more, or can be done better, or can be anything it can be.
Honestly speaking, nothing is there so far.
No.
Seriously,
it can't
is
go
not.
like
I am
that.
not you'll ask anybody in my office, ask Arijit also. पहले I remind them. I told you तुम्हारे में ये problem है. Last में I tell कि ये अच्छा है. So they will also be thinking. And then okay. But so far I have not found anything of that kind. If anything comes, you know me. I'm very straightforward. I don't hide. I tell you directly.
I'll tell you one very interesting thing. अगर किसी ने आपके ऑफिस में ये वीडियो देख लिया, यहाँ तक देख लिया, आप देखना क्या होगा. आपने ये बोला था मुझे, आप देखना क्या होगा. मुझे पता होता है आपके ऑफिस में क्या क्या चल रहा होता है, क्या क्या हो रहा था. बट ठीक है, मतलब not on that level. They don't disclose everything. But वो हंसी खेलती वाली बात है.
होता है. But अच्छा, so far, see, Getting feedback is important. I will not say, because even I keep insisting on my project manager, feedback le aaya, what is the feedback on what we are doing. Getting feedback is important to improve if there is any deficiency. I do agree with it, but so far I have not found anything. So if there is anything which I find, I'll be the first person to tell you.
Sure.
This is what it is.
Sure.
So nothing on that.
Thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you. Now we'll have lunch.
Even I'm hungry.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll improve through this. Basically, a case study you can say, or different sort of journey, जो कि normally ऐसे journey हम मतलब बहुत कम लोगों के साथ करते हैं कि आप 2 महीने आपने ट्रेनिंग करी बिल्कुल ही थोड़ा एब्सेंट माइंडेडनेस के साथ, धीरे धीरे ठीक हुआ, बीच में एक हेल्थ इशू आया, देन बिल्कुल ही गेम पूरा ही चेंज हो गया, एनर्जेटिक फीलिंग ज़्यादा आने लगी, माइंड कंट्रोल में होने लग गया. सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ पीपल राइट नाउ whom we are working with who have same scenarios that you were 6 months back.
Okay.
So it is very good for our experience also.
Yeah.
That it will be मतलब जो आपको 6 महीने लगे, I hope we can मतलब change them in 3 months.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
3 months or 2 months or whatever.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for that, and thank you so much. Yeah.